heroes, adventure, and legacy that have shaped generations of Filipino Scouts.
Today marks an important milestone in our journey to preserve and share the rich heritage of Scouting. This is a living space where history comes alive, where stories of courage and service are remembered, and where young people are inspired to become responsible citizens and future leaders.
Our founder, Lord Baden Powell, once wrote beautifully about the true footprint of a life dedicated to service. And he said, the true way to get happiness is by giving it to other people. Try and leave this world a little better than you found it. And when your turn comes to die, you can die happy in feeling that at any rate, you have not wasted your time, but have done your best. So together, Secretary Sani, we are molding young citizens who are fully prepared to serve God, country, and others, while also being trained to prepare and help themselves.
Yeah, I appreciate the Boy Scouts of the Philippines today more than ever, the PAEC, PAEC, Lance, Chairman Aquino, and all of you here because you are upholding traditional values. And to uphold these traditional values is to build the nation and to build a stronger nation. So muli, salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po ang Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Mabuhay po ang PAEC. Sa lahat po, ibalita po natin sa ating mga kaibigan na meron bagong pwedeng puntahan na hindi nakakasira sa ating kabataan, na makakatulong sa ating kabataan to appreciate history, to appreciate the best of human endeavor, things that build character, things that bring us together, things that we will value in the age of artificial intelligence,